Hello there, and welcome back to card number 2 for today's World Card Making Day Stamper Stack with the Paper Haven, and I am Julie. And this is card number 2, and I cased this card. I saw it online when I was designing my class, and unfortunately I can't remember the name of the person, but when I share it on social media, I will give credit. I will find the name. So for this card, it's a little bit easier, this one. Nothing really to cut out with scissors. You will need your 3 Misty Moonlight card bases. Yep, as always, I'm just going to make 1. You will also need this piece of paper. Now it's the one with the baubles on the back. We are going to be using that for something else, but you should have enough, okay? So we're going to use this side with the trees. We also need this piece. This piece, which looks like this on the back. And then you will need 3 for each card of these punched out shapes, and the glimmer paper that I put in as a bonus for you. Okay, so and some spare mint macaron card. So I'm going to sit down and make a card with you. So I've got my card base. I can put that to one side. I don't really need that for now. And let's do some cutting to start with, just for a change. Okay, so our paper, this lovely blue paper, needs to be cut. Obviously you're cutting 3 at 10 centimeters wide by 14.3 tall. So it's just half a centimeter bigger than the card. All right, so 10 by 14.3. I can pop that. That will then layer onto our card base. We then need to cut the paper. Now I've forgotten the measurement of this, so I'm just going to, right, yeah, it's 6.5 by the looks of it, by 12.3. Let me just try that. I think it's 6.5 by 12.3. So I'm going to do my 6.5 by 12.3. Just check that against this one. Yeah, that's right, 6.5 by 12.3. And again, you'll need to do 3 of those. And then you're going to grab some of that spare mint macaron card. Remember, you should have 3 sheets left. So this is going to be 7. We're going to cut this at 7 wide, putting it in portrait vertically. Now this needs to be 12.8. You will have to cut, to do your 3 cards, you'll have to cut 2 strips for the 3rd one. So you'll be able to get 2 out of 1 7 centimeter wide strip. And remember, we're cutting it at 12.8. Okay, so that will sit round the back of the paper. Okay, and then we need our glimmer. Okay, and I'm cutting that to 10 centimeters wide. Now, if you have got a more heavy duty trimmer, I would recommend using that for this cutting. And then I'm going to cut it at 10 by 1 centimeter. And this is so lovely. You don't need a lot of it to make an impact. And then basically, we're just going to stick this together and do a bit of stamping. Dead easy, card number 2. Which is what you need when you're doing 18 cards. Okay, so that's going to go on there like that. It's going to stick onto here. Now, if you want, you can pop it in the middle like that, but I like to have it to one side. So I'm going to now glue this down onto here, like that. And then our piece of glimmer it's about a good inch up from the bottom of the paper. But it's up to you, it's your card. Okay, I told you it was an easy one. The hardest bit is going to be getting our stamp inside the punched out shape. So I'm going to use the sentiment that says it's the most wonderful time of the year. And then you're going to be singing that all day. Let's have a practice on here. Oh, that's okay. And that's laid up with some foam pads. Now, very, very simple, really. Let the papers do the work. If you wanted to, it would look really nice with some added gems, if you have some. I realised when I did my penguin class the other night, I forgot to put, I've just found them, 3 gems on my last card. So that's going to sit here. In the middle. And you could, as I say, you could pop some little diamantes on, you could pop them on here. And that is card number 2. And obviously, design number 2. If you're making 3 in a go, it would be card number 6. But it's design number 2. And that's taken less than 8 minutes to do that card. Yeah, we had already cut our card bases. But it's nice to have a card under 10 minutes. And that's what you want when you're making multiple cards. So, thank you. Enjoy making your other cards. Now I need to work out in my head when the next video is going up. And I've got it written down here. It is 11:30. So, design number 3 will be going up. This is a quick one, so maybe it might give you time to catch up if you've not quite made all your other cards. But design number 3 will be going live at 11:30. So I will see you then. Bye.